Welcome to the Forsaken Burrow, where every thread tells a story. This is Chapter 2 of the Avatar series, continuing our journey through the creation and refinement of the Ferret 2.0 VTuber model. These moments were originally captured during a series of late June 2026 livestreams, now carefully woven into smaller, ferret-sized chapters to keep our attention sharp and the story easy to follow. Each week, we're pulling another stitch from the original broadcasts until we've taken our flat illustration and turned it into a fully layered and eventually mostly rigged live 2D model. Today's thread is a short but important one, organizing the burrow. We'll walk you through how to build group folders in GIMP, layering the groundwork for the detailed layer processing you'll see in the chapters ahead. Settle in. The burrow is just getting started. So what I did here is, in order to organize the layers a little bit better, I'm going in and I'm going to create little group folders, layer fold. And that's in this particular tool. I just hit the folder button plus, and then it creates the layer. I can give it a name. Going to be a few different ones to do. As I mentioned before, we're going to create layers out of this, and we're going to put them in different sections. Okay. My top layer is going to be my head, and my face is going to be a part of the head. Create a folder on there. I think I'm going to do it backwards. So we're going to ears. Mouth. And then each of these are going to have a subsection well under possibly. The one that's going to have the most like layers will probably be eyes, because parts that make up your eye. And I'm going to have an accessories folder, which is going to have the glasses and the bow tie. Glasses will go under face accessory. Bow tie will go in body accessories. Now, with each project that you do, each avatar that you create, each one's going to be a slightly different. So that's why tutorials are very difficult to follow, because of the fact that you have all these different things that are unique to your particular character. For example, in my particular character, I really don't need ears if I don't want to. There's no point in my ears, but it is something that I can put in there if I want to expressive my emotions, that kind of stuff. So I can put them in. My character also has glasses and has a bow tie, different than models, they won't have that. My particular model doesn't really have like hair, so that is a layer that a lot of people have to deal with when creating their avatar. In my particular case, I don't have to worry about it. If I wanted to, though, I could make this puff of hair, like the front hair of these hairs, chin hair, or the cheek hairs can be side hair. My character doesn't really have any back hair whatsoever, and if I had an actual ferret tail, I could have something like that where the tail is moving back and forth and so forth.